Scene 1, Apple, take 1.
Good morning. Today we have the XinLin 116. This is a Ford Channel 2.4 gigahertz helicopter, about the same size as the V913, although I'll have to admit it's a lot lighter. Okay, let's take her up for a flight.
This bird is it's pretty stable, surprisingly light. I'll have to say that again, for its size especially. But not bad. Let's do a buzz. Today we got some pretty decent winds, about 3 to 6 miles an hour. So it's a good day to fly. It's always a good day to fly. Now the range on this thing, in my opinion, I don't think it's as good as the V913. It could be the area that I'm flying in, you know, Wi-Fi towers or whatnot. But, you know, I've actually lost range on this thing a couple of times here at the park where I didn't lose range with my V913. So I kind of, you know, stay a little closer to this one. But yet and still, it's a nice flyer. See if we can bring it in a little closer. You got your little light on the front. That's pretty cool. These larger helicopters, though, they look really cool in the air, I gotta tell you. They look really nice. Let's do a buzz. See if we can do a buzz. Oh, we can't do a buzz. Wind kind of took it a little. It has some speed to it, though. I got a little speed to it. See if we can demonstrate some of that speed. It will get on, you know, it'll get going. As long as you're willing to pay for the parts, if you crash, then you're good to go. So yeah, you can get some good flying done with this thing. Look at that. Like I said, but the one time it fell out of the sky, it kind of scared me. You know, like I said, it could be the area that, because I've only flown this thing like a couple of times, so it could be right here where I'm at. You know, it could be the protocol. It can't handle it. It can't scramble. It's pretty good for a beginner. You know, like if you're trying to move up from the V911, you know, I would say that something like this is like a lighter yet heavier version of the V912. Because that V912 is pretty quick. That's a pretty quick bird. I gotta tell you. Yeah, do a couple more speed runs. And they look like the larger helicopters. They do look a lot nicer in the air. And when they fly over, you can just feel the you can feel the rotors, the wind. Yeah. So if you want to get out and get a little larger helicopter, because I know a lot of people see these things like on T-Mart and stuff like that. You know, probably wondering how they are. They look like that MJX helicopter, the one that I'm not sure what it is. I think it's the F90 or whatever that is. I'm not sure, but I think it replaced the MJX F45 or whatever. But this does look a lot like that bird. And if I find the name, I'm going to put it across the screen. But you know, I don't know. I think it's just probably like a clone, you know. Okay, we're going to bring her in for our final approach. I think the flight time on something like this, if I had to guess, is maybe 8 minutes, because, you know, I don't know, we've been flying for a few here, and I'm not really feeling the battery going down much. So